It is a robust and user-friendly tool designed to cater to a wide array of file compression needs, offering support for numerous archive formats, including zip, RAR, 7-zip, TAR, gzip, and more. The software is well known for its lightweight design and intuitive interface, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and advanced users looking for a reliable file archiving solution. One of the standout features of IZArc is its extensive format compatibility. It allows users to create, extract, and manage archives across many file types, ensuring versatility. Additionally, the software supports encryption, enabling users to secure their files with passwords, which is particularly useful for sensitive or confidential data. IZArc also includes features like converting archives from one format to another, repairing damaged zip files, and creating multi-volume sets for larger archives. Another significant advantage of IZArc is its integration with Windows Explorer, allowing users to manage files directly from the context menu without needing to open the main application. This seamless integration enhances productivity and streamlines the process of compressing and decompressing files. Furthermore, IZArc supports drag-and-drop functionality, making it even more convenient to organize and handle archived files. IZArc is distributed as freeware, making it accessible to a broad audience without incurring costs. The software continues to maintain a strong presence in the file archiving market thanks to its rich feature set, frequent updates, and commitment to providing users with a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use tool. Whether for personal or professional use, IZArc remains a go-to solution for file compression and management needs.